Ended up getting a little breezy. Hopefully the wind doesn't affect us much. I have a new SeeSii. This is a 2-in-1 cart and dolly. I have used it a couple of times, and it actually holds a decent amount of weight. I think it's 300 pounds. I'll have to double check. I'll put it up on the screen. It also does come with some bungee straps. So like I mentioned, this is a 2-in-1. You take this handle, you place this upwards, and now we are getting into the position of using it as a cart. And then you do have a handle here, which you're just going to pull it back, and then that's going to pop these wheels out, where now you can use this as a heavy-duty cart. You can also lock these wheels if you want it to stay in place. And you can place this upwards. That's going to be part of your dolly, but you can place that upwards to kind of help hold boxes and stuff on here. And like I mentioned, you have your dolly mode. So you got these little clips up here, and you're just going to press those in and pull this back again and lock it in place. And now we have our dolly that we can haul some stuff around with. And then to put everything back away, it's going to be the opposite. Now do be careful on this back side for these larger wheels. I'm going to try and show it over here, but if you don't want to get your fingers in there because it will pinch, it will grab you. So keep your hands away. We're going to pull this back, and you can see how it will pop right in like that. You don't want your fingers anywhere near it because it will hurt. And then for this other part, put that down as well. Then we're just going to reverse it by pressing those tabs in and bringing it all the way down, and the handle will lock in place. Also, the other thing is this handle will adjust upwards, so if you are taller, you can make this a little bit taller for you. And I'll go ahead and bring it back out just to show that here real quick. But you can see how quick you can actually set this up. And then we have our full-size dolly. And like I mentioned, you can make this go higher. So it's actually a pretty good sized dolly. And like I mentioned, this will handle a decent amount of weight. I did use this for a 150-pound box. I got my new griddle with it, and it did work pretty well for that. I haven't really tested anything much heavier than that one. Like I said, just be careful putting your wheels away. And then it folds right up into a nice compact form that you can put up against a wall. You can put this in your trunk, wherever you might need a cart or dolly. It also does have these handles that are kind of built in with it, so you can easily carry it. But if you're looking for a 2-in-1 dolly and cart, this one works really well. It's from SeeSii. I really like it. It breaks down pretty compact and will fit in a lot of places. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.